Hey everybody, what's going on? And welcome back to Rey Starz Reactions. And today we are going to react to a new artist by the name of Tafa Mi-Soleil. Tafa Mi-Soleil is a new artist for me. I have not heard of Tafa Mi-Soleil previously. This is a first one for me. And the title of her song is Lakou. And Lakou in Creole means the backyard, but really in this context, the Lakou is a spiritual ground. And please do not forget to like and subscribe. Let's go with Tafa Mi-Soleil, Lakou.
Ouais, donc t'es pas kawe. Mais la tête est vivant pour tout ça qui choque. Yon rêve qu'a voulu tout faire, ouais, faut souffler, lâcher. Mais on sait qui n'a mon yo rivière, yo qu'a sauvé. Dans la cour, bois associé, veille la ligne pleine pour gérer, causer à la maman pour j'étais café. J'ai sauté en robe pour terri dans plaqué. Et la fois où plétage tout m'a collé. Mais l'autre bord rivière à gon soleil capelé. Côte l'ombre écoute reggae tout ça pour faire géant. Dans la cour, ouais associé. Veille la ligne pleine pour gérer causer à l'en-bas. J'étais
Wow, what a beautiful discovery. What a beautiful discovery. She has a great voice. It's really ethereal, and just the music, like very whimsical. It's believe it or not, I dream to this type of music. And I think I'm gonna be dreaming of Tafa Mi-Soleil. When I mean this, I'm gonna be dreaming with Tafa Mi-Soleil's song, Lakou. That is so beautiful. And Tafa Mi-Soleil's voice, it reminds me of Lorena McKennitt or Lisa Gerard from The Dead Can Dance. A beautiful voice, yeah. So it's very, very beautiful. I love this genre kind of music. I have to find her album, and I hoped it has more of this kind of music, this kind of vibe. I really, really love it. Great. And Lakou in Creole is again, it's like a communal spot and a very spiritual spot. And what she's saying in the song is, you know how like you go to the doctor and the doctor said you're cured, but you still feel the pain. But if you go to the Lakou will take care of it. And in the Lakou, we show respect to our ancestors. We, pour our coffee at the bottom, at the foot of the maple tree. The maple tree is a sacred tree that is there at the Lakou. In Haiti, we have lots of Lakou, but the big three I think are Lakou Sucré, Lakou Souvenas, and Lakou Bajo. Souvenas, if I'm not mistaken, I think there might be two Souvenas. You guys can tell me if I'm right or wrong. This song is so beautiful. It's very spiritual, very dreamy. Yes, it transports you. Like I want to be like in a Lakou and at a ceremony right now in Haiti. If you ever go to like a ceremony in a Lakou, for example, like Souvenirs, it's beautiful. You should be there like at nighttime, and the singing is beautiful, right? Anyway, Tafa Mi-Soleil, great song. Let's get into it again.
coudri sous de la mouée, qu'elle mousse soleil, aboudaï, mila mila, congo, les bouddhas fâchés, côté les chita, à terre, tes pieds la porte noire, l'ouvrir sous la cour, oh la cour, voyager sous la cour.
Wow, what a beautiful lady. What a beautiful young lady and a beautiful song. Yes, she's very beautiful, I have to say. Single guys, we do see beautiful ladies, and her talent is there. Oh my goodness. Tafa Mi-Soleil, you have a great fan from this day on. All right, everyone. Thank you very much. Oh, please, very important. I would like you guys to go and see the official video of this song. It's beautiful. Okay, go see the official video. And also, as always, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Be kind to one another, and I will see you on the next one. Rey Starz saying, peace out.